Today we will discuss the energy flow in steam power plant. This morning we will look into the energy flow, no, mga heat transfer ni siya, no, in the tubes. Okay, so let's move on. Topics. We will review a bit about heat transfer. Then we will look into closed type condensers, and then heat transfer in actual furnace wall. Then we look into two methods, no, in looking to the temperature differences, no, arithmetic and logarithmic mean temperature difference. Then we look into two pass steam condensers. Then we look into overall equation of heat transfer, no, sa furnace, no, kani baliktana. And then we'll look into an example. Okay, without further ado, so let's review a bit, no. What is conduction? This is the property of matter which allows the passage of heat even if the body is physically impermeable to any kind of ray. So conduction, to conduct heat, no? So example of conduction is heating a solid piece of metal, no? So mo conduct ang heat niya bisag nara ka sa tumoy, no, because it is solid, mo transfer gyud ang heat, no. Then V is convection, the faculty of moving matter to carry heat energy such as transporting load from one place to another. So natay free convection due to change in density of matter, and then forced convection due to pumps. So this is mostly by fluids, no. Then radiation due to the property of matter to emit and absorb different kinds of rays. So nakay radiation. Okay. So it doesn't mean nga kanang nuclear radiation, no. It means all forms nga irradiate ang heat, no. Apil na ni siya. So closed type shell and tube. So ingon siya nga shell kay kani siya mo ni siya shell na to, no? Kani. Mo ni itong shell, no. Ang tubes kani, no? Daghan kayo ng tubes. Okay? So mo na tong tube, shell and tube. So we have the exhaust steam entering from this point here, no. Kita kay kadong atong gi-discuss dong wait. Natay turbine, no. Ha? And then natay condenser. So mo na ni siya, no. So we're looking from the side. Okay? So the exhaust steam is a mixture, no. So natay X, then quality ni siya, no. So meaning na nasa moisture, no. Then we have what we call a feed. We have the outlet, no, of the feed water, no, outside here, no. And then the cooling water will enter here from this side here. Yan na siya divider, no, para dili magsagol dayon. Di shortcut ang ano. So mo agi siya diri, no. So the tubes will enter the tubes here, and then pass out here, no. Cooling water will move out or flow out of this outlet. Okay. And then so there are certain designs that will employ what you call baffles, no. So in the previous nga illustration, wala siya, free moving ang fluid, no. Pero na siya disadvantage, no, kay dili kayo mo stay ang tubig. So what they did is they put some baffles here, no. So for example, mo sudre, no, mo flow in, no, flow in. So instead of going straight, mag suroy-suroy sa siya, no. So it will flow, no. Mo ana siya. Okay? Ana, no. So rather nga rin siya ang sorry, kani day, no, ang steam day, no. Ana. Bali day, no. Ang flow sa tubig same ra gyapon, no. Pero ang kani siya, if you look at the kani diretso man gud, no. Ana. Ang flow sa exhaust steam mo ay gipadagan-dagan sa, no. Okay? Para di siya madiretso, no. Okay. Okay, so we have because we are looking at fluids, no? So mo apply ni mga gitawag og dimensionless numbers, no? So dili lang di ay wa data nag-review lang sa heat transfer, we're also reviewing the fluid mechanics, no? So there are three dimensionless numbers that will be involved here. So Prandtl, Reynolds, and Nusselt, no? So the terms here are C, specific heat ni siya, then K, then K na rin, no? K, which is the fluid conductivity, no? Or thermal conductivity, no? Then V, which is the velocity, no? Na de mu sa de ngari de nag-ana de, no? So mu, fluid viscosity, and then fluid conductivity, and then we have the rho, the density, no? Then we have velocity here. And then H is the film conductivity or conductance. Then D sub E is the characteristic dimension of fluid conduit M. And then this is equal to 4 times the cross section flow divided by the parameter of the area. Nakalimutan na A, no? So you might remember this D sub A sa aircon, no? So I don't know if you remember, pero kani siya mo na itong gigamit, no, sa equivalent, no? The E stands for equivalent diameter niya, no? Kay if the cross section, no, if the conduit has an inside diameter, no, and an outside diameter, mo kuan man siya, no, mo differ na atong calculations, no. So gamitan na to aning equivalent diameter niya. Okay, so conduction through plane wall. So if this is a plane wall, no, so itong cursor, okay, here. So this is the plane wall, na. And then if we have T1 as the outside conditions, no, kani nga point gid rin, no, dili dres gawas ha, kani nga point diri do also wall, no. So manang T1 na to. Then if we have T2 on the other side here, T2, so this is the outside diameter, we will have a K, no, for this wall, natay heat conducted equal to K times the area. So kaning area, if we look at it from the side, no, kung mao ni atong nakita diri, no, kung mao ni siya, mao sa ni siya, and the area is this one, no. Okay, so K times area times the temperature difference divided by the L. So the L, if you remember your review sa heat, or if you remember your heat transfer, so uban nga libro, no, they will use X for this, no. Pero gihimo na natong L because it will conflict with another equation later on, no? So mo na ato na lisda ni siya, no. So that's why we're using L here. So we will call this one equation 1, no. Call this equation 1. Okay, so continuing on. So instead of using T1 over T2, no, so disuro na to, no, we will assign this one to theta, no. We will assign this to theta, and then the K over L, we will assign it to U, no. Substitute in 1 the two terms. We have Q is equal to U A theta, no. So the U is the overall coefficient of heat transfer. Theta is the temperature difference. A is the area of flow. L is the thickness of the material, and K is the conductance. Okay. Okay, so we have the conduction in actual furnace, no. By the way, I may not have mentioned it, but kanino na ni siya film, no, na kaning film, no, na siya mag film diha nga mo ano, fluid film, no, nga mo coat ano niya nga part diha, no. So mo na ni siya ron, no. So nakay gitawag og inside, no, T sub I, inside, no? Inside furnace temperature, and then we have T sub O, no, T sub 1 to lang gisunod, no, na T sub 1 mo na siya diha, pilit gini siya sa wall, no, solid nga wall. Then T sub 2 inlabang siya, no. And then T sub O, this one, no, the outside surface temperature, no, or outside air temperature. Okay, so the heat will transfer from this side here, from I, no, from inside to outside, no. Then we already know nga kung ano siya, no, na nani siya heat transfer from here to here, no. So we already discussed this in the previous slide. So this time we will look at the heating through the glass film. So we have Q is equal to HI A sub I times quantity Ti minus T1. Okay? So if we're heating through the metal, so mo ni K times Q times is equal to K times A times delta T, no? T1 minus T2 over L. So okay, so nalay gihapon. Then number 3, heating through the air film. So kanina sa nga padung diha, no, from this point here to that point here, no. So na kay film nga gilabangan. So we have a convection na siya, no. Q is equal to H sub O times A sub O, outside, meaning na O is outside, no. Then times quantity T2 minus TO. Okay? And then we have if we summarize the terms, no, in terms of T temperatures, no, temperature difference. So the first one, if we review, no, the first one, kani man eh, no. So i-transpose na to ang terms. Ngayon mo siyang Ti minus T1 is equal to Q over HI AI. Okay? Number 2, we have a T sub 1 minus T sub 2, Q L over KA. And then third one is T2 minus T sub O. We have a Q over HO over AO. So nganong atong gi temperature difference, so atong buwagon na sila, no. I-add na to tanan, no. So kani mo ni atong first nga term, second term, and third term. Okay, so ang first term, second term, and third term, no, mo ni siya. So mo ni siya diha. Then kana ug kana, no. Then kani okay go. Okay, kana ug kana, no. Mo na siyang source niya, no. So that means ano to? So Ti minus T1 plus T2 T1 quantity T1 minus T2 plus T2 minus T sub O. So kani minus T1 plus T1 cancel out. Okay, mo zero out man eh, no. So negative T2 plus T2, so cancel out. So mabilin Ti o To. So Ti minus To, so is equal to, common na ang Q, bungkago na to. So Q is equal to 1 over Hi minus Ai plus L over Ka, then plus 1 over HOAO, no? And then ato na sang i-isolate, no? I-isolate na sa datong Q. Balik ko na to ang Q. Pila man day ang Q na to ani, no? So Q is equal to Ti, no? Kani minus To divided by quantity 1 over HIAI plus L over Ka plus 1 over HO of AO. So muna na atong what you call this, final nga equation diri, no. Okay, muna na atong derivation, no. Mga muna atong mga say nga na muna what you call this, the final nga temperature tong equation, no? So let's look at some conversion first before we proceed, no? So for mu, no, the viscosity, we have 1 pound hour feet, no? So kani siya is equal to this one, no? 4.1338789 times 10 to the negative 4 Pascal seconds. So this Pascal second is equivalent to kilogram per meter second, no? Then for the H, no, we have 1 BTU per hour feet squared degree Fahrenheit. So 5.678263 watts per meter squared K, no? So memorize on gid ni before we had to memorize this one, no? So naiban magkudigo gid. So di gyud ka kon but ma-memorize ra ninyo, no? The way I did it before, mo na akong gipabuhat ninyo, no? Kani mag-exercise, no, before sa final exam, no? Anyway, so CP ni siya, no? C sub P. So 1 BTU per pound degree R, so 4.1868 times 10 to the negative 3 joule per kilogram Kelvin. So mugamay siya, no? Kay BTU man eh. Conversion man gud ni, no? Pero kung i-kuha na to kilojoules per kilogram, kuan siya, no? Then for K, we have 1 BTU BTU inch, no? Inch ni. Then per hour foot squared degree Fahrenheit. So we have 1.442279 times 10 to the negative 1, no? Watts per meter Kelvin, no? So if you notice, mga Kelvin wala na ko butang degree, no? Kay I read in some references nga dili dapat siya degrees, no? Kay dili siya degree, absolute man siya, no? So mo na nga I try to avoid it in my equations, no? So two methods, no, for solving temperature difference. So importante ni siyang temperature difference kay mo na itong gamiton, no, sa pag-compute niya sa what you call this, the heat, no, nga transfer. No, the first one is what we call the arithmetic method, no? Arithmetical method. Okay, so we have delta T is equal to Ts minus Ti plus Tf over 2, no? So mo ni siya tong Ts, the surface, no? Surface temperature, and then fluid temperature ara. So this is from the initial nga temperature mo saka na siya close to the surface, no, kung unsa ni siya na nga temperature, no. So temperature rise is assumed to be following a straight line, okay? Pero we know nga dili man gyud na straight line, no, dili na siya mag straight line, it's more of curve, no. So ani ay siya ang kuan ngiyang temperature rise, no, murag abrupt siya, no. So dili siya naman gyud nga kuan naman siya pero magsugod siya slow and then mukalit og kusog, no. So yung ana siya ana siya og characteristic. So the logarithmic mean temperature difference or the true temperature difference is equal to theta mean, theta sub m is equal to theta max minus theta minimum divided by ln theta max divided by theta mean, minimum. Okay, so i-difference na to, no, ikuha na to ang iyang difference kung asa ang maximum, no. So gilang naman tay example na later, no, para makasabot mo, no. So let's leave that for a while. So let's move on to steam pipes, no. So let's look at the steam pipes or the superheater tubes, no. So how do we kay lain-lain man gud siya treatment, no. So for a double pipe, no, or a parallel flow. So parallel flow, ang theta max na to is whichever is greater. Of course, whichever is greater ka max man din siya, no. Pero nga in this case, T2 minus Ti, T1 minus Ti, T2 minus Tf. Okay? Sabi na ko, ano, T2. Na-blurred ng pananaw. Anyway, counterflow. For counterflow, the same gap, no? So, kani, whichever is, kung di nakaka-determine, no? Kay nag-curve man ang duha, no? Padung upward, no? Naman. So, it could be, ato exaggerate na nga. Exaggerate na to. It could be nga, ang diyang kuan is ana gamay lang and then kani ana, no? Another scenario is could be nga ana siya or ana lang, no? Or ana, no? So it could be nga tita max, na to kana tita max niya kani tita max or tita min, no? So pangitaon na ninyo ang temperature difference nung greater, no? So mo na siya ang paagi sa um singa na thermal flow, no? Okay, so in a two-pass condenser, mo sa di siya, no, ang kuano almost the same as the other one, no? We already discussed this one, no? Muna natay hot well disubos, no? Mora yung difference niya, no? Ay tubig diri distilled water, no? So ana mo flow siya pa dong ana, no? Then ang exhaust steam na to muso diri mo condense ana na mo gawas diri, no? Okay, so mo na siya ang flow niya, no? So siya lang tube gyapon na siya, no? Okay, so based on that, makuha tago sa katubo ani, no? Kuha tago sa katubo ani niyo. One tube. We look at one of the tubes here, no? So kani siya, no? Um, if we look at it close, no? If we look at it closely, nakay gitawag og kani mo man tubes niya, no? Kaning naay ana og cross ana, no? Ato ning padak ano, no? Ato ning padak ano to diri, no? So ang tubes na to ana, so mga itong tubes. Okay, so nakay gitawag og outside nga film, no? Kana outside nga film. So muna outside nga film, and then we have what you call the scale deposits, no? Kana scales na, no? And then before mabot ang water film, no? Ano siya water film na sa niya. Okay, water film. Okay, so again mo ni ang outside film, then kani mo ni ang tube, no? Then scale, then water, no? Water film. Okay, so for the exhaust steam T1, no? T sub 1, exhaust steam temperature, no? Um, we have T sub 1, the exhaust steam temperature, then T sub 2, the outside surface temperature kani, no? So kung ngarita nagtanaw na, no? Mo na ang T sub 2, no? Then we have T sub 3, inside surface temperature of the tube. So nga rin na po ni siya, no? Na, okay. Surface temperature of scale kana T4 nga rin, no? Between the film, water film, no? And the scales. Then cooling water temperature then T5, no? Kari na sa tunga, no? So mo na itong definitions, no, of the temperatures. Now, atong tagsa-tagsaon na sad, no? So, mo ni sad ni heating through the outside film mo na Q is equal to H sub O, A sub O times T1 minus T sub 2, no? And then number 2 is the heat through the metal, so K A sub M over X times T2 minus T3. So, kuan siya, no, gi-average na to, no? Ang atong area, no? So, the main area. Kay ano man siya, no? Ang area na to is duha man, no? So mo nagi main na to ang inside ug outside, no? Okay, so mo nagi main na to sa mga diri, no? Average na to. Okay? Then the mean diameter or the main area is equal to pi times mean diameter L times L, the length, no? Anak man siya, mag-anak man siya, no? So kung pila na siya, pila ng L na to, mo na ang L na to, no? So do not confuse this with the L that we had earlier, no, nga sa plain wall, no, nga na. This is not the L that we are talking here, no? So you have to distinguish, you must be able to distinguish this one kung unsa na siya. Okay? So the mean diameter is equal to OD plus ID divided by 2. So simple na kayo, no? Okay, so heat through the scale. So nakay gitawag og HFF, no? H sub FF times AI T3 minus T4. Ang H sub FF is the fouling factor for the tubes, no? So this is taken from the tables. Then A sub I is the inside area, which is equal to pi DIL. Then heat through the inside film. So we have Q times H sub I, A sub I, T4 minus T5. So H sub O is the steam coefficient. The H sub I is the water side coefficient. Okay? So manining H sub I, water side na siya, no? So same process, no? Same process. T sub 1 minus T sub 2 is equal to Q over H sub O, A sub O. From 2, T sub 2 minus T sub 3, QX over KM. No? Then from 3, you have T3 minus T4, Q divided by HFF, A sub I. From 4, T4 minus T5, Q over HI, AI. Okay? So if we add all these up, so mo add na ta sa terms. So mo na siya, no? T sub 1 minus T sub 2, T sub 2 minus T3 sub 3 plus T sub 3 minus T sub 4 plus T sub 4 minus T sub 5 is equal to Q sub O, um, Q over H sub O plus QX over KM plus Q over HHF AI plus QHI over AI. Then if we cancel out all the internal, no, temperatures niya, no, so we will come up with T1 minus T5. Then kani i-add lang nato nito na, no, ang common ani niya uh, outside, no, kung i-multiply na to siya, no, by AO over Q, okay, ang atong buhaton ang area, no, outside area divided by Q, i-multiply na to siya tanang terms, no, kaning upat ka terms, no. So what will happen? Sobra man ni. Okay. So kani appeal ng Q, no? Kay equal man ni siya ani, no? So mo ni atong overall nga coefficient here, no? Okay, and then we have Q kani magsugod tani, no? Q over UO AO is we multiply that one by AO over Q, so ma-cancel out ang Q, no? Cancel out ang Q. Cancel out ang outside area. So mahabilin 1 over UO. So muna ni siya, no? So equal to wait sa raise. And then the next one is this one, no? We multiply this one by this one, so ma-cancel out ang A sub O of Q, no? So 1 over HO. So may pinakasayon ko, no? And then next one, QX over KM. So Q ma-cancel out. Mudaghan ay no ng terms niya, no? Kay ang AO mabilin man. So na AO X then KM. KAM. Then kani mo daghan sad, no? A sub O over HHF AI plus AO HI over AI. Okay? And then if we move on, so muna ni atong final nga overall equation na to, no? Okay? So H sub O, 1 over H sub O is the resistance to the outside film, and then AOX over KM is the resistance through the metal. A sub O over HFF, AI is the resistance through the scale, and A sub O over H sub I is A sub I is the resistance through the inside film. Okay? So muna siya ang so there are some notes that we have to remember. So number one is when the tubes are new, there are no scales, no? There will be no scaling. So we will equate, no, to zero, no? I-cancel out na to na. So when the tubes are efficient conductors of the heat, so cancel po na siya, no? Kaning tunga, no? Kaya di naman siya mo-offer og resistance, no? Kani, di ba? So kaning 1, 2, 3, 4, no? Kani mo kuha na siya sa heat transfer sa steam. Then kani mo na siya ma-cancel out na siya og kaning resistance through the metal kani cancel out pud na siya. Mo na siya ang notes na to, no? So given the above conditions, the equations become duha na lang, no? So 1 over UO is equal to H sub O plus A sub O over H sub I, A sub I. So H sub O, we can get the values for this from the steam tables, no? So that's page 115. Unfortunately, I cannot verify kaya nakabili na akong steam table sa laboratory, no, sa USGR. So wa pa na ako nakuha, no. 2 years na to, no. Natuog na to. Anyway, so A sub O divided by H sub I. A sub I is the ano, kaning H sub I is the water side coefficient. So kani siya isolve ni siya na to. Taas na nga process, no. Okay? So to find H sub I, so we have to use the Nusselt number, no. So gamitan na to ani nga formula, no. Nu or the Nusselt number is equal to C. Constant ni siya, dili ni siya CP, no. So di ni siya CP. Re or Reynolds number to the power of M times Prandtl number to the power of N. Okay? It could also be kani same ra gud ni, no. Same ra ni siya. Ang difference lang x imbis M niya gi x na to. Then ang N gi Y, no. So same ra ni siya nga formula, no. So di na lang nato ganon. Okay? And then ang C, no, the C here, the constant is C, M, and N are taken from table 9-2, no, of page 270 of the Power Plant Engineering by Morse, no, a reference book nga na ito gikuha ng C, M, ug N. Okay? So let's look at some example, no. Let's look at an example. Usara na to example pero perting taasa ni, no. So a single pass condenser is to handle 331,655 kilogram per hour of dry and saturated steam at an exhaust pressure at turbine of 0.0007 megapascal. So cooling water enters the condenser tubes at 15.55 and leaves at 26.66 degrees C. So the tubes are 25.4 diameter outside and 22.91 mm diameter in the inside. So nanatay given, no, sa diameters, no. Then K for the tube material is 109.036 watts per meter Kelvin. Then the average cooling water velocity is 2.134 meters per second. So a steam film condensing coefficient is 5.678.263 watts per meter squared Kelvin. Then tubes are new. Okay, tubes are new. So ang fouling factor niya nga A is cancelled out, no, or zero, no, but are not efficient conductors. So ang A sub O X, no, over KM AM. So naato siya, no. So the tube length L is 4.573 meters. So find the number of tubes required. Okay.
So kung kabantay mo sa mga values ninyo, mga kuan ni siya no, magkwaki no, na 0.55 no, then no, kuan na siya no, gi-convert man ni siya good no from whole number ni siya sa kuan, whole number ni siya sa SI English system no. So kani it could be nga PSI ano no, PSI ni siya. Then kani pound per hour no. Mo nang whole number ni siya karon no, kuwaki na dis ato no kani temperature no. Kani 1 inch man no, 1 inch ni. Then kuan ni diri no. Okay. So let's look at the some illustrations no. So if we look at the overall no picture no. So musod ang steam there is a turbine and then mo expand, okay, musod sa condenser no. So the pressure at exhaust is 0.007 no megapascal, and then the inside no or the inlet temperature is 15, then mugawa siya at outlet 26.66 degrees C no. So if we look at the then mo exit sa ang condensate there is a 3 no. Then if we look at the tubes no kani no, kana dihang usa ka buok no. If you look at one of them, so mo ni siya ang nahitabo ro no. So naa kay steam no. Steam traveling outside and then water inside the tubes no. So steam sa outside no. Then we have the what you call this, the outside diameter of 25.4 mm, and then the inside at 21.91 degrees rather millimeters no, 22.91 millimeters. Okay, so muna tong diagram no, so that we will be able to, we will be guided no kung unsay mga kuan niya no, mga given niya. Okay, so ang atong formula is ang atong total surface area no. So if we want to get the required, which is the total number of tubes no, find the number of tubes man no. If we want to get the number of tubes, we have to get the total area no, total surface area, okay, outside no, then divide that by the area of one tube. Mo na atong formula how to get the number of tubes no. So the total surface area of the tube A sub O, okay, atong ilisa no, the total surface of the tube atong i-equate no, equate to A sub O no. Ato lang na una. A PSA is equal to A sub O no. Ato ni equate ana. So from Q equal to UO AO theta, ato na lang ako na lang gi color code no para ma-guided ta. So first gi-compute na to ang Q, pila ang Q nga total no nga gi-transfer. So MH2 no mo na tong heat nga transfer. So M is the mass, which is 331.331,665 kilogram per hour no. And then H2 is wala siya quality no, wala siya X no. Kuan siya, assume na to nga saturated kuan pagyapon siya no, saturated vapor pa siya no. And then we will get the enthalpy no, vapor at enthalpy at saturated vapor, which is 2572.5 kilojoules per kilogram. So if we're gonna multiply the two no, the mass and the H2, we will get this one no, 808,208,212.5 kilogram per hour. So mo na tong heat transferred no. Actually hindi ko lang siya kay per hour man no. Okay? And then karon we will look at this one no. So we already have Q, then kanina sang U sub O no, kaning blue no. So ang blue, light blue is equal to H sub O plus A sub O x and then divide by K AM plus A sub O over HFF AI plus AO HI AI. No? So we don't have scales kay Newman, so zero ni, no? At least makukuha na to, no? So let's look at the first one. 1 over H sub O sa ra, no? Kay given man. So 1 over 5,678.263 watts per meter squared K. So we have 1.76 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared K over W. So gibalira na siya, no? Gibalira na siya, no? I-invert lang siya, no? I-invert lang siya. And then ang sunod nga term na to is kaning K AOX KM, no? So AOX KM, ang AO, ang outside area is pi DOL, no? Then X na dayon. Then ang A nga mean or average na to is pi DML, no? Okay, so na-retain na tong K. So ma-cancel out diri ang na kayo, no? Ang pi, ma-cancel out ang pi, cancel out ang L, no? So what remains is DOX over KM. Okay? So kaning mean diameter, makuha man na nato using this formula, no? 25.4 plus 22.91 divided by 2. So we have the mean diameter at 24.155 meters millimeters, no? And then ang x na to, kaning x here is the mean difference, no? Okay? So difference niya divide of 2, no? Half of the difference, no? So basically half of the radius na siya, no? So 2 DO minus DI over 2. So we have 25.4 minus 22.91 divided by 2. You have times ano? You have 1.25 to 1.245 mm. Okay? So we substitute these values, no, to the here, no. And then we have DO, which is 25.4 mm. Then X is 1.245 mm. And then we divide that by K, which is given 109.036 watts per meter K. Then times the mean diameter, which is 24.155. So kaning mm diri sa ibabaw ma-cancel out, pero kaning usa ka wala pa na convert, no? So that's why we divide that one by 1000, no, to convert that to meter, no? So mana after these conversions we have 1.2 times 10 to the negative 5 meter squared K, no, divided by watts or per watt, no? So dapat consistent no, consistent kung kani the first one ni watts meter squared Kelvin per watt dapat mo sa ni dere, no. Okay? So next is ang next nga item, no, is A sub O ang last, no, ang water coefficient. Then A sub O over H sub I, A sub I, no. So ang A sub O is pi DOL. Then ang A sub I is the HI pi DIL. So with that ma-cancel out ang pi, no. And then L also, no, ma-cancel out. So ang habilin is DO over HI DI. No? But what is HI? So given ta sa, so we have to get the H sub I sa Nusselt number, no. So mo na ni ang atong equation, no, nga sana what you call this, mention ganina, no. Nusselt number is equal to C times Reynolds number to the power of m and then Prandtl number to the power of n. Then from table 9-2 page 270 of the reference book by Morse. So you have for longitudinal flow in tubes, so you have C equal to 0.023, and then M is equal to 0.8, and then N is equal to 0.4. No? Okay, so muna siya itong Nusselt number. Okay? So ang Nusselt number, mo nang higamit ani nga formula, no? Kay kani, ma-solve man na itong Reynolds number o Prandtl number. No? We can solve this one. So if this is equal to the Nusselt number, unsa man di ang Nusselt number? So mo na niro, no? So H sub I D sub E over K. So ang H sub I is the one that we're looking for. D sub E, or the equivalent diameter, we can get, no? We can compute for that, and then the K is rather is taken from the table, no? Okay? So ang Reynolds number is D times V times rho over mu. Okay? Then the Prandtl number is CP ni siya, no? C sub P times mu over K. Okay? So again, from the equivalent diameter is is equation 9-11. No? So it is equal to 4 times the cross-sectional area divided by the perimeter. No? So kung kung square ni siya, so atong assume tubes na to square, no? So pila man ang cross-sectional area niya, no? So mo na siya cross-sectional area, so divided by the perimeter, no? So kung lingin siya, so what is this area? I-divide ana, no? So ang area is let's say pi common, no? Internal, so pi d squared over 4. So divide by pi d, no? So mo na siya nga ma-cancel out ang d, then ma-cancel ang pi, then 4 man, no? 4 times kani. So ma-cancel out ang 4. So mabilin di na lang muna ni siya, no? Muna ni siya ron ang atong formula, no? Masimplify na to nga ang equivalent diameter niya is equal to the internal or inside diameter, no? So the inside diameter is 22.91. I-divide na to 1,000, so you have we have 0.002, no? Meters na ni, no? Sorry, meters na no? Meter na ni, no? Kaya i-divide man na to, no? Okay? So moving on. So kuan man to siya because kani siyang mga K, V, or rather rho and C, kuan man na siya, no? Dependent man na siya sa temperature. We have to get first the properties of water at mean temperature, no? So mo nang kuhaon sa nato ning T sub M, which is equal to T sub O plus T sub I over 2, no? So inig katong no? T sub I, T sub O, no? So T sub I is 60 man, no? 60. And then T sub O is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, no? Or 15.55, then 26.66, no? So mo na siya tong i-average ni nato, no? So we will get a value of 21, no? 21.1 degrees C. Okay? So now we will get the what you call this? We will get the properties niya, no? Somewhere here, no? Somewhere diha, no? Okay, so above siya sa 20, no? Above siya sa 20 but below sa 25, no? So kuha ni na siya nato, no? Interpolate, no? So ang density, ang density na to is between 998 og 997, no? So mo na 997.647. I have to tell you, no, nga kani nga values dere, I did not take it from this table, no. Akong nag-estimate nga almost the same, no, but we will use this table moving forward, no. Ako mo ganing sa kuanin ako, no, sa mga previous nako nga reference, no. Then ako na lang gi-take, no. So naa siya libro nga gi mention, no. katong heat transfer, no, or heat transmission by McAdams, but di na lang nato kuno, no. So wait lang ha, erase. Okay, so mo ni, no, then density or rho muna, and then we have mu, viscosity kana somewhere here, no, between 1 and 0.89, no. So muna nga kanigod times 10 ay mo ka confused, no, times 10 to the negative 3 na ha, negative 3. So muna nga nahimo siyang 0.009755. Okay, and then we have the C or CP. Okay, so mo ni siya dire, somewhere between 4185 or 4182, no. And then we have the K here at point 0.5, no, some 0.59362 na somewhere dire, no, 59 or 0.67. Okay, so hopefully kuha no, nakakuha na mo do, no, naka-follow mo asa giun sa to pagkuha, no. Okay, so kuha na lang, try to practice getting this one, no. Di na lang nato interpolate, no, to save on time, no. Okay, so since we already have the values, so we have the Reynolds number is D V, na kay D kanay mo na ni D na to, actually D sub E ni siya, no. So mo na siya 0.02 0.02291 meter, and then V is this one, no, 2.134 meters per second. Then the rho is taken from the table, 997.647 kilogram per meter, cubic meter. And then the mu, the viscosity is 0.009755 kilogram per meter second. Okay, so dimensionless number na siya, close to 50,000, no? 50,000. Okay, ang Prandtl number is the equal to C mu. So C na to, CP is 4.1868 kilogram per kilogram K. Then the mu is 0.009755 kilogram per meter second. Then the K is 0.593642 watts per meter K. Okay, so ang Prandtl number will come out as 6.87994305. Nanatay Reynolds number, no? So we have the Reynolds number, we have the Prandtl number, no? Okay, and then i-substitute na to, no, sa formula, no? The nanatay Reynolds number ug Prandtl number, nanatay C, M ug N. So we can substitute. C is 0.023 times 49,999.8 to the power of 0.8 times 6.8799 to the power of 0.4. So this term, we can get the value of this one, no? 285.717. Okay? So if we divide that one, by, or kung ato ning kwaon ning D and K, no, because we have the Nusselt number also, no, we have this Nusselt number naman na siya. What if we want to get this I, no, we want to isolate this I here, no. So ibalhin na nato, transpose na natong K, no, og DE balhin na sad nato, no. So muna ni ron, no. So 285.717, no, kani times K divided by D sub E, or equivalent diameter. So 285.717 times 0.53642 watts per meter K divided by 0.02291 meter, no. So kani ma-squared na ni, no. So we have H sub I equal to 7403 watts per meter squared K, and then muna na siya atong water side coefficient, no? Now, after that, nakuha man nato, no? A sub O, if we go back sa kuha, no, na simplify naman nato, no? Nga D sub O over HI DI. So mo man ni na simplify nato. So where did we get this? Nga rin nato nakuha, no? A sub O over H sub I. So pi D O L H pi D I L. So cancel out ang pi og L, no? So mo na nga nahabilin niya D sub O H I D I, no? Okay, I'm sure murag nalipat na mo, no? Tungod sa kadaghan na sa atong gihi ko, ano. Okay, so keep on practicing, no? Keep on practicing, no? So if we substitute the values, no? H sub I given, D sub O given, D sub I given, so makancel out ra ang mm, no? So we don't have to convert. So 1 over 7 25.4 divided by 7,403.5, no, 0.5 watts per meter squared K times 22.91. So you have the value of 1.4975 times 10 to the negative 4 meters squared K per watt. So muna tong A sub O over H sub I. So I think kompleto na ta, no? Kompleto na ta sa ano, kompleto na ta sa tong terms, no? So balik ta sa 1 over U sub O, no? So 1 over H sub O. So mo na ni siya 1.79. So ato nag-solve, no? Reciprocal ra to siya sa given. Plus kani A O x K over K A M. So mo ni 1.2 times 10 to the negative 5. Then plus A sub O over H sub I kani mo na 1.4975 times 10 to the negative 4. So it would, if we add all the three terms, we will get 3.378 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared K per watt, no? So that means i-reciprocal na nato, no? If we want to get U sub O, so i-reciprocal na nato, U sub O is equal to 2,959.73 watts per meter squared K. Let's go back to the initial, no, nga ko ano. Kani Q is equal to U sub O overall, no? Uh, overall what you call this, area, then theta, no? So karon we already got Q check, U sub O check, we just got it. So kani mo man atong gipangita, no? Then U sub O, so kani o gani mo. Then now we will have kaning pila na ning theta, no? So layo-layo na ta, no? Okay, hapit na, dool na, no? So theta is kuno atong gamitan og logarithmic mean. So theta max minus theta mean divided by ln, theta max divided by theta minimum, no? Then ang atong theta maximum is T3 minus Ti. So kuno T3 wala tay graph da. Anyway, sige lang. So T3 minus Ti. Then ang theta mean is minimum is T3 minus T sub O, no? Ang outside, no? So where T3 is what man ta kakuha ng T3, no? So T3 is the saturation temperature of P3, no? At 0.007 megapascal. So this is actually equal to 39 degrees C, no? Okay? So muna, and then just for you to recall, T sub I is 15.55 and then T sub O is 26.66 degrees C, no? I-convert na ni nato into degrees Celsius, no? Okay, so from the given, we will get the maximum, no, theta at 39 minus 0.55 equal to 23.45 degrees C. Then minimum theta is T3 minus TO, 39 minus 26.6. So we have a 12.34 degrees C. So muna na atong temperature nga minimum and maximum, no? So apat na human, ang theta is theta max 23.4 minus theta min 12.34 divided by ln 20 theta max 23.45 divided by theta min 12.34. So we have a logarithmic mean temperature difference of 17.3 degrees Celsius, no? Okay? So kompleto na kita, no? We completed the equation here, no? So nanatay Q, UO, and theta, no? So ato na ning i-isolate ang outside of overall, no? Overall na siya, overall temperature, overall area, no? So Q equal to 853,208,212 kilojoules per hour, and then times 1,000 divided by 3,600, gi-convert na ning kilojoules, no, to joules, and then ang hour to seconds, no. And then U sub O 2,959.73 watts per meter squared K times ang LMTD is 17.3 degrees C. Okay, so we will be able to get the total surface area or the overall surface area of 4,627.41 meters squared. Okay, so I apologize kung pink, no? Okay, girly kayo kay nahutdan ako color. Anyway, so 4,000, no? 600 mo na tong area. Okay, so are we done? Not yet, no? So ang atong overall or area for a single tube kay ingon man tang ang number of tubes is equal to the total area, no? Total surface area of the tubes, then divide that one by the area of one tube, no? So mo na ni ron ang area of one tube mo na ni atong gikwenta ron, no? So we have the area for one tube is pi DOL. So pi times the outside diameter of 25.4 times the length of 4.573. So convert the mm to meter. So we have 0.3641491 square meter. Okay? So ato nang i-transpose, no, or substitute sa atong formula. The total surface area is 4,627.41 meters squared divided by 0.36491 meters squared. So we will have 12,680 tubes, no? I-whole number na to, no? Kaya man pwede ano, half a tube, no? So usa ginaka-length sa tube, no? So mo di man pwede katunga rang last ng mga tube, no? So 12,681 tubes. So imagine na no? Nya tag 1 inch ni, no? Kada usa 1 inch. Imagine unsay gidak-o, no? Usa na ka inch, no? Nya 12,000 ani, no? Okay? So kung 1 inch ni siya. Okay? So imagine lang, no? 12,000, no?